If those fungus gnats are driving you crazy, here's another tip to get rid of them. Fill a bowl with either apple cider vinegar or red wine. Fungus gnats are attracted to these smells. Next, add a drop of dish soap. By adding the dish soap, it'll help pull the gnats into the bowl. Let it by your plant and you're done. Did you know fungus gnats can lay 100 to 150 eggs in your soil? It's gross, so let's get rid of them. 1 part hydrogen peroxide. Add that to your watering cup. Next, you'll want 4 parts water. Now what you're going to do with this is you're going to water your plant with it. What happens is when the larva gets in contact with hydrogen peroxide, the larva dies. And just like that, you'll be living gnat free.